Hello!
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't have. Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you are enjoying my videos so far. If you're new on the channel, then hi, my name is Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all. And if you are a constant subscriber, then thanks for supporting me. And today in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys this makeup look because I am loving this look. I am loving the hairstyle, I'm loving the look, and a big thanks to my mom for this hairstyle. And if you guys are also loving this look, then keep watching because today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to create this makeup look. So let's not waste time and let's get directly into the video. Also guys, please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and now let's start. So guys, first thing remains the same. We have to moisturize our skin, and I'm using the same moisturizer which is from Lotus Herbals, and this you have seen in quite a lot many videos now. And since it's the winter season going on and I have a really dry skin, so I'll make sure that I moisturize my skin perfectly. And the rest of it I'm going to apply it on my hands just like this. And next I'm going to apply my primer, and I'm going to use the same primer which is from Faces Canada, the Ace of Base Radiance Primer, and I'm going to apply it on my T-zone. And guys, moving further, I'm going to color correct my pigments, and for that I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Master Cannon Flat Concealer Palette.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple.
So once I'm done color correcting my skin, next I'm going to move towards my foundation, and the foundation that I'm going to use is from Faces Canada, the Ultime Pro HD Runway Ready Foundation.
Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
So after getting done with my foundation, I'm going to move towards my concealer, and the concealer that I'm going to use today is my NUDE concealer, which is in the shade 02 Natural Beige, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and wherever I have these breakouts like this one, and this. Actually I scratched in my sleep, so I'm going to apply this to hide them.
You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere.
after my concealer, moving further, I'm going to set it with the loose powder, and the powder that I'm going to use is from Sugar Cosmetics, the All Set to Go translucent powder. Now till the time my powder sets, I'm going to move towards my eyes, and for my eye makeup today I am again going to use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. But before that I am going to conceal my eyes. Now once I have concealed my eyes, next I'm going to start with my eye look, and for today's eye look first, I'm going to use this shade from the palette, and for that I'm using my fluffy brush. This shade I'm going to apply on my eyelid and my crease and above the crease, so that to create a smooth base for my eyes. Next I'm going to use this purple shade from the palette. I am going to change my brush, and I'm going to take a little thick brush, and I'm going to apply this shade a little above my crease. Similarly, I'm going to do it on the other eye. Now before I move further with my look, I want to say one thing for this palette, that whenever I see the shade range, like so many colors over here, I always feel like experimenting, and this is the second time I'm using this palette. I've used this palette for the first time in my previous video, and it turned out to be so good. I loved that look, and I hope you guys also loved that. And guys, once you're done with your purple eyeshadow, this is how your eye is going to look. It can look a little messy at this point, but then we are going to blend this out using another eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm going to use to blend the purple eyeshadow is this one. So guys, once you're done blending your purple eyeshadow with your red eyeshadow, this is how your eye should look. After this, I am going to cut my crease, and for that I'm using a flat shader brush which already has a concealer on it. And guys, after cutting my crease, I am going to go with the same purple shade, and I'm taking another flat brush, and I'm going to start applying it on the outer corners and the inner corners of my eye. Also guys, if you have noticed, I have left a little part of my outer eye over here because I'm going to go with the circular shape. So I'm not going to start applying my purple eyeshadow from the very outer corner, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space and start applying it from here. And similarly on the inner corners as well. And guys, once I'm done packing my outer eye and the inner eye with the purple eyeshadow, next I'm going to take this red eyeshadow which I used for blending the purple eyeshadow and start applying it on the inner side. And make sure that you blend the eyeshadows very well. And guys, once I'm done with my red eyeshadow, this is how your eye should look. And next I'm going to use this shade from the palette, and I'm going to pack it on the middle part of my eye. So guys, once you're done with your eyeshadows, this is how your eye should look. And next I'm going to work on the lower side of my eye and the outer side. And for that, I'm going to take this pencil brush and the red shade which I used to blend the purple eyeshadow. Now I'm going to make sure that I merge this red eyeshadow with this red eyeshadow. So once you're done with your eyeshadows, this is how your eyes should look. And next I'm going to move towards my liner, and the eyeliner that I'm going to use today is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Play Eyeliner, which is in the shade blue. So guys, this is how my eyeliner looks. Similarly, I'm going to do it on the other side, and if you watch it carefully, it is thicker at the ends and thinner on the inside. So after getting done with my eyeliner, I'm going to move towards my kajal, and the kajal that I'm going to use today is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal. I'm going to apply it on my waterline and similarly on the other side. And after this guys, I'm going to move towards my brows, and for my brows I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper. So guys, after getting done with my brows, next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. So guys, I am all done with my eyes, and next I'm going to move towards my face again, and I'm going to contour my face using my Tri Sugar palette, which is the 01 Subtle Summit.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
So after my contouring, I'm going to cut my face using my loose powder from Sugar Cosmetics. And after this guys, I'm going to apply my blush, which is again from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is the Contour the Force Mini Blush, which is in the shade 01 Peach Peak. And after that, I'm going to apply my highlighter, which is again from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is in the shade 01 Champagne Champion. Also, I'm going to apply the highlighter on the inner corners of my eye. And after getting done with my highlighter, I'm going to remove the excess loose powder over here. And next I'm going to apply my lip color, which is again from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 03 Tan Fan. So guys, this is my final look and I hope you liked it, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, if you have any particular video requests, do let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram or other social media accounts, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, love you. Bye bye.
Over my head. Walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like orange. You